Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Danaal. I'm a content creator, also a kid model. And on this channel, we talk about YouTube, social media growth, motivation, and real online opportunities. Before we start, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and my other social media platforms. All the links are in the description below. Also, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment where you're watching from. Now let's get into today's video. Today's video is very important, especially if you want to make money on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new YouTube monetization rules. What changed, who can get monetized first, and what you must do to qualify in 2026 and beyond. A lot of people are confused. Some people think YouTube is impossible now, but trust me, it's still possible if you understand the rules. First, let's understand something simple. YouTube monetization means YouTube pays you money for your content. You earn money from ads, channel memberships, super chats, YouTube Shorts bonuses, and brand deals. Before, it was just about numbers, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now YouTube is more focused on quality, not just numbers. The new rules focus on original content, real engagement, and no reused content. If you copy videos, you will not get monetized. Here is the most important new rule. YouTube monetizes creators who bring value first, not just creators who chase money. YouTube now checks your video history, your shorts content, your thumbnails, and your audience behavior. Now let's talk about YouTube Shorts. Good news. YouTube is pushing shorts creators more than ever, but they must be original and transformative. How to get monetized faster. Choose one niche, show your face or voice, and upload consistently. If you do this, YouTube will push your content naturally. Please avoid buying subscribers or using low-effort AI content. These things may grow numbers, but they kill monetization. If you're watching this video, it means you want to change your life. YouTube is not easy, but it is worth it. I started small, just like you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. My name is Danaal, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.